Aleppo soap is a centuries-old traditional soap originating from the city of Aleppo, Syria. Its production involves a time-honored process, cherished for its natural ingredients and handcrafted methods. The core ingredients of Aleppo soap are olive oil, laurel oil, water, and lye, derived from natural sources like ash. The combination of these ingredients is what gives Aleppo soap its renowned properties, including moisturizing, cleansing, and hypoallergenic benefits. Mixing the oils. The process begins with mixing olive oil with laurel oil in specific proportions. Traditionally, this ratio is around 85% olive oil and 15% laurel oil, but this can vary depending on the desired characteristics of the soap. The oil mixture is heated in large cauldrons. The heat helps blend the oils thoroughly and initiates the saponification process where the oils chemically react with the lye to form soap. A carefully measured quantity of lye solution, obtained from soaking ashes in water, is gradually added to the heated oil mixture. This step is crucial and requires precision to ensure the right chemical reaction for soap formation. The mixture is stirred continuously while boiling over low heat for several days. This prolonged cooking time is essential for the saponification process to complete, allowing the oils and lye to transform into soap. The sawing method in soap production employs a saw-like tool to slice through solidified soap slabs. One person stands atop the cutting tool while another applies force by pulling them back and forth with a rope or another mechanism. This back and forth motion facilitates the sawing action, gradually cutting the soap into individual bars or blocks. Precision and coordination between the individuals are crucial for consistent cuts. The sawing method allows for manual control over the cutting process, ensuring uniformity in the size and shape of the soap pieces. Though labor-intensive, this technique showcases traditional craftsmanship and is valued for its ability to create neatly cut soap without the need for advanced machinery. The freshly cut soap bars are then set aside for a prolonged aging period, often ranging from several months to years. During this time, the soap undergoes a curing process, gradually drying and hardening. This aging not only improves the quality of the soap, but also enhances its mildness and effectiveness. Craftsmen and soap artisans check the quality of each batch, inspecting for consistency, fragrance, color, and texture. The aging process is critical for ensuring a high-quality final product. The production of Aleppo soap is an art that has been passed down through generations, with families and artisans preserving traditional methods. While the process remains largely unchanged over centuries, some modern manufacturers have incorporated more efficient equipment while still adhering to the traditional recipe and techniques. The allure of Aleppo soap lies not just in its cleansing properties but also in its rich heritage, natural ingredients, and the expertise involved in its creation. The labor-intensive and time-consuming process results in a soap renowned for its gentle nature, suitable for sensitive skin, and cherished by many for its historical significance and exceptional skincare benefits. The Sigma mixer is a heavy-duty apparatus used in soap production, blending raw materials thoroughly through dual mixing blades, rotating in opposite directions, ensuring consistent and uniform soap composition. The elevating conveyor transports soap materials vertically, aiding in the seamless flow of ingredients within the soap production line. The Simplex refiner plotter refines soap through a combination of compression and extrusion, eliminating impurities and air pockets. It features a refining chamber and an auger mechanism to produce a homogeneous soap mass before further processing in the production line. The triple roll mill processes soap by passing it through 3 horizontally positioned rollers, refining and homogenizing the mixture to achieve a smooth and consistent texture for further processing. The AV pneumatic cutter efficiently slices soap bars using compressed air, ensuring precise and uniform cuts, contributing to the streamlined production of consistent-sized soap pieces in the finishing stage. The rotary stamper imprints designs or logos onto soap bars as they move along the production line, adding branding or decorative elements, enhancing the visual appeal of the final product. The manufacture of Laurel soap, famously known as Aleppo soap or Halep soap, has roots deeply entrenched in the historical landscape of the Middle East. Its origins trace back to the ancient city of Aleppo, nestled between Syria and Turkey, where its production emerged as a thriving industry. Aleppo soap owes its name to the inclusion of aromatic laurel oil in its composition, imparting not just fragrance, but also a range of beneficial properties to the soap. This renowned soap, a staple in the region, finds its base in a blend of olive oil, natural laurel oil, water, and sodium hydroxide. The concentration of laurel oil, varying between 2 to 66%, often determines the quality and pricing of this traditional soap. However, the flexibility of the soap's formulation allows for the substitution of laurel oil with other natural vegetable oils like hazelnut oil, coconut oil, or black pond oil. Each oil brings forth its unique benefits, adding to the diverse applications of the soap. The historical timeline of laurel soap production remains somewhat elusive, shrouded in the antiquity of time. However, historical records hint at its existence dating back to ancient civilizations. Legends whisper that Queen Cleopatra of Egypt and Queen Zenobia of Syria embraced laurel soap for their skincare routines, underscoring its significance in ancient hygiene practices. Aleppo soap, often categorized as Castilian soap due to its formulation from olive oil and the Shannon plant, emits the distinctive scent of laurel oil. This handmade soap, intricately linked to the geographical expanse between Aleppo and Gaziantep, demands specific weather conditions and a unique climate conducive to its creation. The craftsmanship involved in its production, passed down through generations, reflects the cultural heritage and artisanal expertise inherent in the soap-making tradition. The multifaceted utility of laurel soap transcends mere cleansing. Its versatility extends to daily use as a washcloth, shampoo, facial mask, and even shaving cream for men. Its gentle yet potent qualities make it particularly beneficial for infants and children. Laurel oil, a key component, stands as a testament to its efficacy as a cleanser and its potent antimicrobial, antifungal, and anti-itching properties. The significance of Aleppo soap resonates beyond its cleansing attributes. It embodies a cultural legacy deeply intertwined with the history and traditions of the region. The soap-making process, employing age-old techniques and natural ingredients, echoes a heritage passed down through centuries.